Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another video to show you guys on how you can log in into your Providence employee account. To do so, just follow some simple steps that I will be showing you on this video, and then you can log into your employee account as well. First of all, open up your Google browser and then go onto its search bar and just type for Providence Employee Login and hit on enter. After you do so, many results will pop up on your screen. Click on the link that says Employee Login, and this will take you to the official login site of Providence. And here you can see that you need to input your username and password to continue to your account. Now just input your username and password. But in case you forgot your password, you can use this button Forgot Password to help you reset it. Now, if you are not already registered to Providence, you can use this button Register to help you set up an account on it. And now after inputting your username and password, just hit on login and then you'll be logged in into your employee account. And that's how you can log in into your Providence employee account. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.